The Book of Psalms, chapter 103. Bless YAHUAH, O my being, and all that is within me. Bless his set-apart name. Bless YAHUAH, O my being, and do not forget all his dealings, who forgives all your crookednesses, who heals all your diseases, who redeems your life from destruction, who crowns you with loving commitment and compassion, who satisfies your desire with the good. Your youth is renewed like the eagles. YAHUAH is doing righteousness and right ruling for all the oppressed. He has made known his ways to Moshe, his acts to the children of Yahshar'el. YAHUAH is compassionate and showing favor, patient and great in loving commitment. He does not always strive nor maintain it forever. He has not done to us according to our sins, nor rewarded us according to our crookednesses. For as the heavens are high above the earth, so great is his loving commitment toward those who fear him. As far as east is from west, so far has he removed our transgressions from us. As a father has compassion for his children, so YAHUAH has compassion for those who fear him. For he knows how we are made. He remembers that we are dust. A man's days are like grass. As a flower of the field, so he flourishes. For the wind blows over it, and it is no more, and its place no longer remembers it. But the loving commitment of YAHUAH is from everlasting to everlasting upon those who fear him, and his righteousness to children's children, to those who guard his covenant, and to those who remember his orders to do them. YAHUAH has established his throne in the heavens, and his reign shall rule over all. Bless YAHUAH, you his messengers, mighty in power, who do his word, listening to the voice of his word. Bless YAHUAH, all you his hosts, you his servants, who do his pleasure. Bless YAHUAH, all his works, in all places of his rule. Bless YAHUAH, O my being.